Thursday.
Thursday?
Fried thighs.
Fried thighs. No, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy, isn't it? Zulfi, I'm gonna have.
I always thought his videos were for gay Canada. 54 million pounds just from YouTube.
Walking. This is what you call B-roll, man. B-roll. Look at us, we're at the top of the world here. Better down here, isn't it? Yeah, just. Oh my god!
It's imagination.
It's an absolutely sick spot. We've got to go down there now.
Where?
Down there. Guys, you're gonna have to find a different way here. There, just there where those people are. There's people are there.
This is how you.
Absolutely stunning view. This little farmhouses. He's trying to make friends with the locals here. Crocodile Dundee. You did it, well done. Oh, what a view from these farmhouses, honestly. God, look at that. Gobsmacked by this place. This is my car. Yeah, I'd come and chill with you, mate.
Nah, I'm bored.
What are you doing, Zulfi? Can we not get across? I'm walking on water, guys. Knew I was good, but you never knew I could walk on water, did you? Look at that. Got to the top here, and then we cut through to that rock face just around there, and up this path here, and we are right here. It's a nice route. Let's go faster. And I'll come around to one side here, and I'll come forward here. Yes.
That's Umar is earthing.
That's earthing, man. Umar's earthed. It's a bit too vertical up there.